guys, how's it going? Today on this Honda Talon, we're going to be installing our new spare tire storage box solution for the 2019 to 2023 Honda Talon 1000 2-seat and 4-seat cars. After making sure your bed box is all cleaned out, your first step is going to be removing the 6 factory bolts that hold the bed tray in. 4 10mm bolts holding the factory D-rings in, and then 2 5mm Allen keys for these 2 middle Allen bolts. Once you have those 6 factory bolts taken out, your next step is going to be to mask off the areas shown in your instruction book for the holes you'll be drilling later for the mounting brackets as the extra support hardware. After masking off the areas shown in your instruction book, you're going to take your 2 supplied brackets and drop them into place. And then using the 4 longer bolts that are supplied in your hardware pack, you're going to be dropping them into holes A and holes B, also noted in your instruction book. You do not need to tighten these down all the way, as these brackets are coming right back out to drill the mounting holes on the extra brackets. Now that your mounting brackets are loosely in place, you can go ahead and take a Sharpie or any marker of your choosing, and you're going to mark out these extra holes in the mounting brackets. That is where you're going to be drilling for the extra support for these brackets. Now, with your holes marked out, you can go ahead and remove these brackets so you can easily drill the holes. Now, with all your holes marked out that you're going to be drilling with your brackets removed, you can go ahead and take a drill with a 5/16 inch drill bit, and you're going to drill through your marked holes. Now, with all your extra mounting holes drilled, you can go ahead and remove the masking tape and put your mounting brackets back in place. Now that all your mounting holes are drilled, you can go ahead and drop your factory brackets back in, and then use those extra mounting holes to drop the supplied hardware into those spots, along with the 2 that you put in from before. Now that you have the 4 bolts in that you had before you drilled your holes, with those back in, you can also go ahead and drop your 3 other bolts in the 3 mounting holes you just drilled. In hole C on both sides and hole A, you are going to be reusing your factory D-rings under the supplied hardware. Now, with hardware dropped into all of your mounting holes, on the underside of the bed on hole C, you are going to be using these washers, also pictured in your instruction book, to slide under the bolt and then with a supplied nut. And then on holes D and E, you are going to be using the other supplied washer, and same thing, slide it through both bolts, and then using the supplied nuts, tighten the brackets down, and then you can tighten them fully to the desired torque spec, which also should be listed in your instruction manual. Now that your mounting brackets are securely in the car and bolted down all the way to the torque spec in your instruction manual, the only thing left to do is drop the box in your car and then use these 4 bolts, also supplied in your hardware pack, to mount it to the brackets. And now with those 4 14mm bolts bolted in place, your install is now complete and you can go out and enjoy your new storage box.